So you deposit money into your funded challenge, you pay $160 or $150, you lose it, and then you do it again, you lose it, and then one time you pass the verification, and stage 2, you withdraw a little money, and then you lose everything again. In today's video, I'm gonna explain this complete cycle with mathematic probabilities of why you will always lose trading with prop firms, or at least why it's most likely that you will lose money over time. I will go through statistics, math, probabilities, numbers. I will not just say my opinion, but we know that numbers don't lie. And I will show you today why and how these prop firms make money. So get your favorite drink. I'm gonna make it easy and quick. So in front of me now, I have the 2 challenge phases of the most famous prop firm without mentioning the name. But all the prop firms have the same money amount that you pay, the same fee. So you basically pay $155 to take 10,000 fake money or virtual money. This money you can't withdraw, so it's fake. It's margin. What you actually get is $1,000, which is the maximum loss. When you reach 1,000, you're gonna get an email and your account is gonna go away. Okay, so let's make it clear. You pay 155, or for the simplicity, let's say 100, and you get 1,000. That if you pass the funded challenge, you have 2 verification phases. It's most likely that the trader are gonna lose one of them. Why? Because if you trade with strict trading rules and you don't want to blow out your account and you trade very safely, very slowly, you won't pass the challenge, or you're gonna take 10 years to pass it. The only way I have seen traders passing this challenge is by doing it in a very aggressive way. And don't get me wrong, I have passed the challenge myself. You'll see in my YouTube a complete playlist of the FTMO challenge. I have passed it in 3 episodes live on YouTube in front of everyone. It just took me one time to pass it, but this doesn't mean that this prop firm or this model is actually scalable and actually good for me. I have done it for the YouTube and for you guys to show you that you can do it if you know price action very well, but I stand on my ground that this is not a good idea. It's much easier to make money if you trade your own funds. And today we're gonna see it. We're gonna see the numbers and we're gonna see the statistic probability. So first of all, unrealistic promises. They get you $10,000 by paying $155, but that's not true. You get only 1,000, but not yet when you pass the verification, which likely you won't pass, which likely more traders are gonna pay the fee for them than the ones who will pass. So they sell you the dream. You're gonna make a lot of money by paying a little money. That's the same as a broker giving you a lot of margin, trading with 1 to 100 or 1 to 1,000 or whatever you want. That's the same. They're just marketing geniuses. Number 2, hidden fees and costs. If you trade even with the best and best prop firms, you're gonna get slipped away, like slippage during the news or before or after. You're gonna see sometimes like a very weird price action. The bid and ask prices are gonna go very, very weird. Not during the news, but even before and after. You're gonna pay a lot of hidden fees to them. Skewed terms and conditions. If you pay attention to the things you sign during the prop firm, they can go bust at any time. They won't pay you a nickel. And we've seen it many times, like prop firms denying payouts, prop firms saying, okay, you're doing something shady, prop firms not allowing hedging, prop firms not allowing fast trading, prop firms that allow minimum days, max days. They are screwed. They are in the favor of the prop firm always. So it's always a zero-sum game. If you think the prop firm is your friend, you live in another world, because the prop firms make money of losing traders. How does the prop firm make money? They make money by many people paying the fee, the 155. Many people paying it, and one day, one person is gonna pass it and they're gonna pay him money. Okay, very nice, very nice. But then this person, one day is gonna blow up again and gonna repeat the whole cycle. So it's just like the casino. From 100 people paying 1,000 and losing 2,000, 3,000, one person is gonna win 10,000. Okay, give him the 10,000. But the other people are gonna give us more. That's how they win. That's the math behind it. Transparency issues. So not just the 2 top prop firms, but like many prop firms You're gonna open a ticket, you're gonna tell them, oh, my payout is not cleared yet. Why is this happening? And they can always tell you, okay, well, that's our prop firm. We can deny and we can accept. We have the full control. So there is no transparency. And I want you to do something. If you are a professional trader trading with prop firms, if you make a lot of money, try pulling out all the money at once. Because I have tried it myself, even with the top company. They're gonna hold it. They're gonna hold it for days. They're gonna hold it for review. They're gonna see, oh, why is this person winning? Everyone is losing. There's something very weird about this person. Let's find something wrong about him before we give him the money. Because that's the least thing they wanna do. And again, I have passed the challenge myself, so I know what I'm talking about. I think professional traders are gonna have their own capital. To be honest, the zero-sum game. And I have said it. Even if you pass, even in the rare cases, we see here that only 9% of people pass the funded challenges. Only 9%. Even if you pass, how many people of this 9% are gonna repeat and fail the challenge because they're gonna preach the maximum loss day or maximum loss amount? They say here that 7% of the 9% are gonna repeat it. What? So only 2% of all the 100% going to the company, only 2% are gonna be withdrawing money more and more and more. And it's more likely if they go very hard, they're gonna blow it. And guess what? These 2%, only 2% winning people, the prop firm, if they see that these people are making a lot of money and they can't squeeze it and make interviews with them or squeeze it for the marketing because they can't be paying a lot of money without getting something, they're gonna start finding ways to drop you off from the prop firm because you are just making them lose. They're just losing with you. We see the same in the casinos about people making a lot of money and card reading people and people who try to cheat in the casino. Guess what? After a time of the casino seeing these people, they're gonna pull up and they're gonna tell them, oh, wait, you're too good for us. Please go away. You're not allowed here anymore. Because you are playing in their ground. You're playing with their rules. If you own your private funds in any broker, a very good broker, a reliable one, if you ask for your money 2 days and it's there, 1 day it's there, because that's your money. And that's why I want to talk about the alternative way, the solution, and why I think you need to do this. I get it. Not every one of us had a lot of capital to start with. Trust me, I have started with $1, starting with the binary options and getting cheated on, and that's another topic. But trust me, I didn't have money. I didn't have the means. You can go through my videos, you're gonna see me trading with $50 again and again and again. I have been with this stage. I don't come from a rich family. So I understand the means and the way of thinking of us small traders who want to just deposit $50 and make a lot of money or make a little money and go out. And this is not a real scenario. The alternative real solution is to save up this $155 1, 2, 3, 10 times and deposit a $1,000 to a private fund account with any good broker with a lot of margin, and don't trade your P&L. Don't imagine gonna make $100,000 with an account of 1,000. Is it doable? You people can do it, but that's not the normal. We're gonna talk about normal numbers and reliable numbers in the next video, so make sure you subscribe. But let's return to the topic. I think that's the best alternative way you can do. So instead of just funding your account, losing it, funding, losing, funding, losing, when you start being smart, when you start being disciplined, when you start being a real trader, you're gonna save up this money and trade later, and trade by percentage basis. So let's say I'm gonna make 10%, I'm gonna make 15%, not with the dollar amount. That's when you're gonna win. And I recommend to everyone, go find a job. Trading, having a job at the same time is not a bad idea. That's actually the best idea that will make you start getting on your feet. Yes, all of us want to trade for a living, and that's the goal. But start with making money first. Start with making money. I can go and make any promotion for these challenges or these prop firms. I can show the DM, hey, I want to make a marketing video or something. And I'm going to make followers. Everyone want to trade with the performance, it's the trend. But then I will make people lose money. With what I'm doing now, maybe I can lose future promotion with these companies, but I don't care. Only thing I care about is you making money. And you're gonna thank me. If you follow the things I have said today and the tips, you're gonna thank me in the future. Just DM me and tell me, Mishu, thank you for opening my eyes about these numbers. Thank you for making me understand something that I didn't understand before. You can go watch the playlist of me passing the funded challenge to see how I passed it. I, of course, took a lot of risk to pass it in one time. And I think that's not scalable, that's not reliable, and it's not very doable to a lot of people. I have been trading for years, thousands of charts. I have been good at the entry model I have created my own strategy, so the normal trader will not be able to do it. That's not to bargain. That's just to say my results are not typical. Most traders lose money, and it's okay. We're here to learn. We're here to get better every day. I was losing money before, and that's life. Make sure you subscribe if you like this video. I'm gonna put a lot of videos about probabilities and numbers in the next weeks. 10% of any money that will go to this channel is gonna be donated to people of your choice at the end of the year. So make sure you subscribe and give me a like if you like the video. I hope you have a good trading week, and see you soon.